Watch Mr. Smith's video and learn how to draw me. I'm the Gingerbread Man. Run, run, fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the Gingerbread Man. Make sure you hit the thumbs up, that's a like. Then hit subscribe and hit that bell. And watch my whole video.
Hey boys and girls, welcome back to Mr. Smith's Art Room for Kids. I got a great one for you today. I'm going to show you just how easy it is to draw the Gingerbread Man. That's right, the Gingerbread Man. I got a great book to help inspire you to draw too. It's called The Gingerbread Man Loose in School, and it's by Laura Murray and Mike Lowry. And I'm going to leave a link in the description below of where your parents could purchase the book if they choose so. Anyway, he wanders all through the school. He loses his class, and he's asking everyone, have you seen my class? Have you seen my class? He even ends up in the principal's office, and he falls into the art teacher's lunch bag. And you know, if he fell into my lunch bag, I was going to have some good milk and cookies. But anyway, how about if we get ready to start making art today? Here's what you need. You need paper, you need pencil, an eraser, and some color materials. If you got all that, then we're just about ready to start making art, man. And one more thing. At the very end, the Gingerbread Man is supposed to come and talk to you. So you gotta watch the whole video to see the Gingerbread Man actually talk. I can't wait. It's going to be hilarious. So you better wait too and have a great time. So let's go. I'm making a gumdrop shape for the Gingerbread Man's body. Now I'm going to make a circle for his head. I'm going to make two skinny ovals for his arms, and they are going to overlap his body. We'll go back in later on and erase some parts that are overlapping. Here's the second oval. One arm is up, one arm is down. Now I'm making a curving line that will open up the space between the Gingerbread Man's legs. Now I'm going to take my eraser and go around his whole body, and I'm going to open up some things like the lines of his arms. I'm going to open them up to the body. I'm going to go inside his head and erase that line that's inside of there, and I'm going to do the same with the other arm to open it up so it looks like the arm has actually grown out of his body and all pieces are connected. Now I'm making wavy lines, and I need to make two of them across the top. It's going to be icing over top of his hair. I'm going to make circles for both of his eyes. And gingerbread men don't have noses. I always tell my kids if they had a nose, he might smell how good he would taste. I'm making a smiling face, and I'm making a second curving line, and I'm going to connect them with two U's. Now I'm going to make a rectangle and two triangular looking shapes for his bow tie. I'm making some more icing just beneath his hands and just above his hands on the other side. Wavy lines is how we do it. We're going to make some more wavy lines down the bottom after we put in the buttons. Another wavy line going across his whole body. It's going to be like a belt. Wavy, wavy, wavy. And two more just above his feet after I finish correcting. Just don't like the way his feet were looking. Wavy, wavy, wavy. Always make double lines because we like to have nice thick icing for our gingerbread man. I'm making a horizon line that normally separates the ground from the sky. And it also makes the gingerbread man look like he's standing on something. Now I'm making a shape that's going to look like a shadow for the gingerbread man. I'm actually copying how his body looks. Now, we don't have enough room to show the whole thing, so I'm just doing his feet and the arms. Now it's time to color. I normally speed it up a little bit when I'm coloring. My kids ask me, "How do you color so fast, Mr. Smith?" And I tell them, it's video magic. And it is. I wish I could color that fast all the time. You see, first I outline my gingerbread man, and then I go in using my one-stroke method. I go up and down, go all the way across his body. And then after I finish going up and down and covering his whole body, I'm going to add a few different colors. I'm going to call that blending. I'm going to blend some different colors so my gingerbread man doesn't look so flat. I want to give him a little dimension so he looks like he's curving a little bit. And you see, when I put in that little darker brown, it starts to make things happen. It starts to make the gingerbread man look a little bit more rounder. He's not as flat as he was. I'm even going to put a few colors into his buttons. And I'm also going to put some into his bow tie. I like purple. I'm a Ravens fan, and that is the color of our school. Dogwood Elementary School, purple is one of our colors. Now I'm putting some darker colors, some darker grays around some of the areas of the icing. These are just going to be slight shadows to make the icing look like it's going up and down a little bit more. It's going to help with the little wavy effect. And I used that word before, dimension. It helps to give it a little bit more dimension so it's not so flat looking. And I'm going to darken his eyes, and that's going to be probably about the only thing I'm going to darken, because his mouth and the other parts are going to be the white icing. But I am going to go around in a few minutes with my small thin outlining pen, and I'm going to outline his whole body. There it is right now. I'm outlining the icing, help make it stand out a little bit more, and then I'm going to go around his whole entire body and outline that more to make that stand out. Oh, there's our little gingerbread friend doing a little dance for us. He comes and goes throughout the video. I hope you like him. Now I'm going to ask you to make sure you hang in there for the whole entire video, because at the very end, the gingerbread man, he's going to come to life and he's going to sing to you. So you gotta watch the whole video in order to see this happen. Don't just leave halfway in between, because the best part is at the end. Now I'm taking my blue and I'm starting to do the background, and I wonder just how fast I can do this. I'm going to put a little blue sky in, and then I'm going to also put some grass in. And I'm still using my one-stroke method. And it's pretty fast. Wow, that was real fast, wasn't it? Now I'm going in and I'm going to put a little darker green on this shadow. And I think after I finish coloring that in, we are going to be close to being finished. And maybe our gingerbread man will come to life and say a few words to you. I hope he does. I know he will, especially if you hang in there and watch the whole video. He told me that he was dying to speak to all the boys and girls that came to see his video. So make sure that you stay. I want to thank everybody that came to watch Mr. Smith draw the gingerbread man.
Run, run, fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. I'm so fast you can't see me. If you look left, I'm gone 1, 2, 3. Run, run, fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. I'm so fast you can't see me. Why don't you count 1, 2, 3? I'm Mr. Smith's friend, you can't catch me. I'm so fast, it's like 1, 2, 3. You look to the left, you look to the right. I'm gone, I'm out of sight. Run, run, fast as you can. You can't catch me 'cause I'm gingerbread man.